Hi, and welcome to Reading with Renee. Today's story is 2025 New Year Celebrating. The last day of 2024. The last day of 2024 dawned bright and crisp as young Sammy and her golden retriever Max leapt out of bed with excitement. Sammy's room was a whirlwind of glitter, paper snowflakes, and leftover confetti from last year's celebration.
"Come on, Max,"
she chirped. The duo rushed downstairs, ready to make their house sparkle for the new year. Sammy and Max set to work, stringing twinkling lights across the living room and hanging colorful streamers from the ceiling. Max, with his playful paws, knocked over a box of decorations, sending shiny ribbons flying through the air. Sammy giggled as Max playfully chased them, his eyes wide with mischief. When the house glowed with New Year's cheer, Sammy turned to the kitchen. It was time to bake. With Max by her side, they mixed ingredients and kneaded dough. Suddenly, Max sneezed and sent a cloud of flour poofing into the air, covering his golden fur and Sammy's hair in white dust. They stared at each other in surprise before bursting into fits of laughter. Sweet treats and silly moments. Sammy rolled out the dough and used star-shaped cutters to make cookies, while Max watched, his tail wagging hopefully. Sammy couldn't help but sneak him a piece of dough.
"Just this once, Max,"
she whispered with a wink. Max's eyes lit up as he gobbled it down, tail thumping in approval. The scent of vanilla and cinnamon soon filled the kitchen as the cookies baked. Max sniffed the air, his tail waving like a flag. When Sammy opened the oven, a puff of warm, sweet-smelling steam escaped.
"Almost ready, boy,"
she told Max. He barked happily in response. They decorated the cookies with bright icing and colorful sprinkles. Max, attempting to help, accidentally knocked a bowl of sprinkles off the counter. Sammy gasped, and then they both laughed as the tiny candy scattered everywhere like a rainbow. The waiting game. The house was ready, the treats were laid out, and now it was time to wait. Sammy settled on the couch with Max curled up next to her. They watched their favorite New Year's movie, but Sammy couldn't stop glancing at the clock. It felt like midnight was taking forever to arrive. As the minutes ticked by, Sammy and Max began to play a silly game of charades. Sammy mimed being a cat, and Max barked at her, tilting his head curiously. Soon, they were both rolling on the floor, caught up in laughter. The sound of their giggles filled the house, keeping the sleepy feeling at bay. Finally, the countdown began. Sammy sat up straight, eyes shining as she whispered to Max, "It's almost time." The TV announcer's voice counted down.
10, 9, 8.
The seconds felt like forever as Sammy's heart raced with excitement. The New Year's sparkle.
3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Sammy shouted, jumping up with joy as Max barked and spun in circles. The living room was filled with cheers as Sammy hugged Max tight. Outside, the sounds of firecrackers and cheers from neighbors echoed through the air. Sammy grabbed her coat and Max's leash.
"Come on, boy, let's light up the sky."
she said, and they raced outside. Sammy held a sparkler in one hand and waved it, making bright patterns in the air, while Max barked joyfully at the crackling lights in the sky. With fireworks painting the sky, Sammy threw her arms up and yelled,
Happy New Year!
Her voice echoed joyfully into the cool night, and Max's barks joined in. As the last bursts of the light faded into the stars, Sammy felt the warmth of a new beginning.
2025, here we come,
she said, giving Max one last squeeze. Thanks for reading with me today. I hope you enjoyed this story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and check out my channel for some other stories you may love. Happy New Year, and until next time, this is Reading with Renee.